I was tired of scrolling through YouTube Shorts all day, so I built an auto-scroller to do it for me. Now, I'm not an extension specialist, but I'm still going to try. So after a bit of Googling, and by that I mean grabbing any simple code I could find. For those who have never made an extension before, you'll need two essential files. One, a manifest JSON file and a JavaScript file. Additionally, if you want it to look professional, you could add a custom image. Create a fresh folder and right-click it to open it with Visual Studio Code or any other editor you use. Then create a new file and make sure you name it manifest.json, as the browser won't accept any other JSON file. After that, create the JavaScript file, name it whatever you like. Now go ahead and copy the code we found on Google earlier and open your browser. Head over to the extension page by right-clicking the extension icon and clicking Manage Extensions. Make sure developer mode is enabled and click Load Unpacked, and select the folder you just made. And just like that, you've got yourself an extension. Hold up, I didn't say we were done though. Yes, we did make an extension, but right now it does nothing, so we need to fix that. First, let's create a simple JavaScript code for the basic function of scrolling. Now that that's done, we can try it out. It isn't working, huh? Give me a minute to debug this. After all, nothing works in the first try.
One eternity later.
Okay, that's weird. Because if there was an error, at least I'd know what's wrong. But this... What on earth? It's still not working? Okay, I think I have an idea. Let's just get an extension to actually see how it works so we can replicate it. One thing I see on this extension is that it adds a button to enable and disable it. Let's ask Copilot to make one. There, now we also have a button that hopefully will make this project a success. Okay, we still have nothing. Let me debug this real quick.
One hour later.
Do you ever?
Alright, let's go. After some light modifications, and by light I mean 30 minutes of debugging, we finally did it. Now it scrolls very well. Now all that's left is some tidy work and making this presentable. With the power of editing, now we have a custom button, and don't forget the icon at the top. Here's the result. So yeah, that took way longer than it should have, but it works, which is all that matters. If you want the files, they're in the description. And if you've got ideas for something I should build next, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.